Hello. Today, I will introduce you to automatic Instagram follower growth software. This is my Instagram account. Let's check the number of followers first. Currently, it has 78 followers. Alright, let's get started. Here is the Instagram software. Select the follow feature. Copy the URL link of the Instagram account you want to increase followers for and paste it here. If you want to increase followers for multiple accounts at the same time, you can add other URL links here. Here, there is an additional feature where, after following, the software will interact with posts from that Instagram account. This feature is optional and depends on your usage needs. Once the setup is complete, click Start, and the software will automatically log into your Instagram accounts to begin increasing followers for you. As you can see on the screen, multiple Instagram accounts are logged in at the same time and are automatically visiting my Instagram account to follow it. Now, let's check to see if the followers have increased on the account. Do you see that? There are many follow requests for my account. Now, all we need to do is confirm them. With this software, you can automatically increase followers on your Instagram account. It's really amazing, isn't it? I will stop the video here. Connect with me on Telegram or WhatsApp, and I'll assist you. Goodbye and see you again.